Forget the movies. Today, you're not just observing New York, you're stepping into its electrifying, unscripted pulse. So what epic scene are you about to write in the city that never sleeps? In the next few minutes, we're unlocking the secrets that you need to know. Ready to dive into the city that never sleeps? Welcome back to Minutes in a City, your ultimate passport to adventure. We're all about delivering must-see sights in this amazing city. Seriously, for the full experience, you'll want to stick around until the very end. Oh, and here's a little secret, especially for all you football or soccer. For my American friends fans out there, if you're watching this right now, you are incredibly in luck. New York City isn't just a proud host city, it's the proud host city for both the FIFA Club World Cup 2025 matches coming up this summer at MetLife Stadium. And get this, MetLife Stadium will also be hosting the highly anticipated FIFA World Cup 2026 final on July 19, 2026. How cool is that? So seriously, grab your jerseys, because this trip isn't just about sightseeing, it's about scoring some serious once-in-a-lifetime memories. Alright, let's officially kick things off with the absolute heavy hitters, the rock stars of New York tourism. First up, obviously we have to talk about Times Square. I mean, it's like the world's biggest, brightest, most dazzling billboard party, and it's just happening 24/7. Originally built for the New York Times headquarters, it really offers this incredible sensory overload that will seriously make your jaw drop faster than you can finish a dollar slice of pizza. You can see absolutely everything here, from those massive Broadway show advertisements to people dressed as superheroes. Just be ready for a fun photo op. And yes, it is always buzzing, so you can feel like you're on a very fancy, very fast, exhilarating merry-go-round. Next, brace yourselves for what I call an urban oasis, Central Park. This isn't just a park, it's a living, breathing, literal city-within-a-city institution. You absolutely have to take your time and wander through its vast, sprawling landscapes, from the wide-open Sheep Meadow to the beautiful Bethesda Terrace. Beyond all that sprawling greenery, you'll discover incredible local artists, captivating street performers, and genuinely enough space to make you completely forget you're in the middle of a bustling concrete jungle. And yes, you can totally rent a rowboat on the lake. Prepare for a line that might be longer than my personal laundry list, but hey, it's a quintessential NYC experience you just can't miss. For something truly inspiring, something that just speaks to your soul, step into history with the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Lady Liberty herself is so much more than just a statue. She's a timeless symbol of freedom and hope for millions around the world. Taking that ferry out to Liberty Island and then to Ellis Island, where countless immigrants first entered America, is just truly, truly breathtaking. It's a fantastic, moving way to connect with the city's incredible history and the very essence of the American dream. Now, for something truly unique, especially if you're a fan of classic architecture, breathtaking views, or just, really, really tall buildings, you've absolutely got to see the Empire State Building. This isn't your typical, everyday office building. It's an Art Deco masterpiece that quite literally lights up the New York skyline. From its iconic observation deck, you'll find these incredible panoramic views of the entire city, spanning gracefully from the rivers to the surrounding boroughs, and a truly awe-inspiring atmosphere. It's basically your concrete jungle escape, absolutely perfect for those moments when you want to truly see just how vast and magnificent this city really is. So, if you've ever wanted to feel like you're on top of the world, this is your dream come true. Okay, now that we've covered all the big essentials, let's dive into some of New York's lesser-known, wonderfully quirky delights. First up, right here, we have the High Line. This guy is literally a reclaimed elevated railway line that's been transformed into this stunning urban park. It's wonderfully weird, totally wonderful, and absolutely perfect for that unique Instagram photo, or just a leisurely, peaceful stroll high above the city streets. Just try not to block traffic with your selfie stick, okay? Need a moment of quiet, powerful, historical reflection in this bustling city? Then you absolutely need to discover the Tenement Museum on the Lower East Side. It's this tiny, tucked-away journey directly into the lives of the immigrants who once called these crowded buildings home. Fun fact, it offers such a powerful, poignant glimpse into how New York truly became the melting pot it is today. So next time you walk through a busy neighborhood, just take a moment and think of all the stories beneath your feet. For a truly world-class experience, head to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, also known as the Met. This isn't just a museum, it's an entire universe of human creativity and history, housing over 2 million works of art spanning 5,000 years. From ancient Egyptian temples right inside the building to masterpieces of European painting and incredible contemporary art, it's a testament to human ingenuity. It's a beautiful place to wander, get lost in art, and maybe even find your inner art critic, or just get really, really good photos of some famous works. So you've seen all the amazing sights. Now the big question, how do you actually get around this wonderfully vast, sometimes delightfully chaotic city? Good news! New York has an absolutely incredible public transportation system, so you definitely don't need a car. The subway is absolutely your best friend for getting anywhere in the city. And the best part? It runs 24/7. Think of it as your express ticket to completely avoiding New York traffic, which, let's be honest, can be quite a journey. Just remember, sometimes figuring out which train to take can be an adventure in itself. We also have those iconic yellow cabs that pretty much cover most neighborhoods. Just remember, hailing a cab in the rain during rush hour can seriously feel like an Olympic sport. Consider it your pre-meal exercise. And for a quick and incredibly scenic trip, you have to hop on the NYC ferry. It's modern, super efficient, and it gives you these really cool elevated views of the skyline from the water. Plus, it just feels vaguely sophisticated, doesn't it? For those cross-borough adventures, the Staten Island Ferry isn't just transportation, it's actually a free experience. Take a ride to Staten Island for absolutely stunning views of the Statue of Liberty and the entire Manhattan skyline. It's like a mini cruise, but way cheaper. And of course, rideshares like Uber and Lyft are readily available, but just be prepared for surge pricing if it's pouring rain or during those peak hours. All right, time for some serious retail therapy. New York's got such a diverse shopping scene. Beyond all those amazing artisanal crafts and vibrant street vendors, you'll find absolutely everything from high-end fashion to those wonderfully quirky vintage finds. Fifth Avenue itself boasts those iconic flagship stores like Saks Fifth Avenue and Tiffany & Company, where you can find everything from designer duds to dazzling jewelry. It's practically a fashion city within a city, all on one street. All right, foodies, listen up, because New York's culinary scene is just as diverse as its population. You absolutely, without a doubt, must try a New York-style pizza slice. It's thin, it's foldable, and it's usually bigger than your head. Sounds bizarre, right? But trust me, it tastes like heaven. Seriously, don't knock it till you've tried it. Being a city surrounded by water and a city of immigrants means incredible international food. From authentic, mouth-watering dim sum in Chinatown to delicious, crispy falafel from a street cart, your options are just endless. Prepare for your taste buds to do a happy dance. For that ultimate comfort food, you have to seek out a classic New York cheesecake. It's dense, it's incredibly creamy, and it's so good it genuinely should have its own fan club. You can even find them at those classic local diners. And for something truly unique, something that defines the city, try the street food. From those amazing halal carts with their fragrant chicken and rice to those classic hot dog stands, these are quick, cheap, and undeniably New York. My personal favorite? A classic dirty water dog with all the fixings. Now let's keep it real for a moment. Every city, no matter how amazing, has its quirks, and New York is absolutely no exception. The first thing you'll probably hear about? The crowds. Yes, it's packed. A lot. But honestly, it's often part of the incredible energy, and it keeps everything wonderfully vibrant. Just pack your patience and maybe embrace your inner sardine. We like to call it organized chaos because it truly makes our city move. The cost of living here is sky high. Housing especially can be a major sticker shock. So definitely start saving those pennies now if you're even contemplating moving here permanently. As for safety, New York is generally very safe for tourists. But like any major city, you absolutely need to exercise common sense. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially at night or in less populated areas. Petty crime like pickpocketing is more common in those super crowded tourist hotspots, so just keep a good eye on your belongings. Stick to well-lit, busy areas, especially in places like Times Square. All right, time for some pro tips and fun facts to make your New York adventure even better, to truly level it up. Tip 1. Comfortable shoes are your absolute best friend. You'll be doing a lot, and I mean a lot, of walking, and those city sidewalks can be wonderfully unforgiving. Tip 2. Seriously, look up. New York's architecture is truly amazing, and you'll miss so much if you're just staring at your phone. Fun fact, did you know there are over 800 languages spoken in NYC? That makes it the most linguistically diverse city in the entire world. And just like that, our minutes in New York are officially up. If you enjoyed this incredible tour, please do us a huge favor. Share the video with your friends, give us a big thumbs up, hit that little bell icon, and of course, subscribe so you absolutely don't miss our next adventure. Be sure to check out our other videos, and we'll see you when we join you in a brand new city.